How to move games from one drive to another on Steam. So let's just open up the PC real quick. So let's say I want to move a particular game to the local disk F, or if I want to move every single game onwards to the local disk F, I can make the local disk F the default destination folder. What you need to do is at the top left corner of the screen, click Steam, go to the settings, go to the downloads tab, and you should see Steam library folders. Click that. So if I click this add icon, I can choose what disk I want. So let's just choose F. Let's add. And if I want to move a particular game, here I can see how many gigabytes of space the local drive F has. I'm just gonna do, okay, let's just do this game. And let's move here, and I can select the local drive F. Let's move. And there you go. Now the game is moving to the other drive. And there you go. We successfully added this game to the disk F. Now if you want to add every single game, just repeat this process and select every single game. If you want every single game onwards that you download to be located on the local disk F, you simply go to the local disk F, click on the three dots right here, and then click Make Default. As you can see, this little yellow star is now on the local disk F, and this means every single game onwards that I download, it's automatically going to be downloaded on the local disk F. And there you go. That's how to move games from one disk to another on Steam. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.